Hello friends, today we are discussing article writing. As you know, article writing is an important part of class 9 syllabus and it is decided for writing section. Article writing carries 8 marks and the word limit for article writing is 100 to 120 words. So let us discuss how you can write a good article. First of all, we should know what is an article. So friends, the article is a written work published in a print or electronic medium. Okay, it is our written work. We write and the article may be published in a newspaper or it may be given to electronic medium also. Electronic medium means for television, news channels or any other parts. The purpose of article writing may be the propagating news, researching results, academic analysis or debate. Generally, it is published in a newspaper or magazine. Okay, now we should discuss what is the purpose, why we write article. So the purpose is, the most important purpose is propagating news. Means we want to propagate or spread news writing article. Sometimes we research also the results. Okay, we research results also writing article. That what is the result of writing something, means whatever we are writing, what is the result of it on public. Then academic analysis. We can analyze something also writing article, or it is used for debate purpose also. And most of the time it is published in a newspaper or magazine. Okay, most of the time it is published in a newspaper or in a magazine. It may be the topics of writer's interest. Okay, it is not important that we are writing on some particular topic, but it is our own choice. It is our own interest that what topic we choose. It may be a current issue. It may be about anybody else we can write. We can write our own viewpoint. As I have already told you, the purpose may be propagating news, researching result or academic analysis or debate. So for any purpose we can write down article. Now I want to give you some general guidelines so your article may be good and you can get good marks. So first of all we discuss that our first point, and that is always study the given information or notes carefully. While writing article, it is very important to know to study the thing we want to write, the topic we want to write in our article. We should study the smallest detail, the smallest information or notes carefully. Whatever the information is given, first of all study it very carefully. After that we should start writing. And the second point is arrange them in a systematic order. Okay. The information should be in systematic order. Systematic order means whatever happened first, we should write it first. And after that, what is the sequence of incident we should describe in our article. Then the third point is develop each point in a simple, grammatically correct language. Okay, the language of article should be simple, grammatical correct also. Otherwise, suppose your article is having mistakes, grammatical mistakes, the purpose cannot be solved and the readers cannot understand what you want to say. After that, the fourth point comes, and that is your article must present your ideas not in a sketchy but in a coherent and logical manner. Means you should not just write for writing sake, that you have to write and you are writing. It should not be a sketch, but it should be logical and thus full of sequence. And you should know the related facts also, and then you should write your article. Next point is develop your writing into paragraphs. It is the best way that you should write a paragraph. You should write article into paragraphs. Don't write just a description, but you should divide it into paragraphs. Like in first paragraph, you can give the introduction of the topic. And in second paragraph, you can write down the problems, the causes related to the topic. And in last paragraph, you can give your suggestions, or if you know, you can write down some solutions also. Understand? You can give your suggestion or you can give some solutions also. Whatever the problem is there, so it can be solved. After that, it is not necessary that because you have to complete, you have to fulfill the word limit, and so to complete the word limit you are writing unnecessary detail. That is my next point. You should avoid the unnecessary details from your article. Okay, don't write unnecessary details or unnecessary things in your article. And then I have already discussed you the word limit. It is the most important part. You should write your article in 100 to 120 words. Article writing is the important part of your writing section. You should practice it carefully and write down your article according to these guidelines. Now, I want to tell you the format of article writing. And the format is this. First of all, we should write a heading, and heading should be very catchy. Catchy means looking at the heading, the viewer should be forced to read the whole article. It means whatever heading you write, it should be very attractive so it could catch the attention of the readers. So your article will be read properly and they will know whatever you want to say. After that, you should write down the writer's name. Okay, it is very important to write writer's name in bracket. Most of the time in your question paper, writer name is given. Don't write your own name. You should write down the name whatever is given to you in your question paper. After writing name, you should write down the introduction. It is not important that you should give heading introduction. Just you start from the first point of the line, whatever the introduction of the topic is, without giving the heading introduction. After completing the introduction of the topic, then you should describe the causes. What are the causes of particular thing? What are the causes behind this particular topic? When you have discussed these causes, at last paragraph, you can write down your suggestions as well as some solution also. But friends, keep in mind the language should be grammatical correct, so the purpose of article writing could be solved. Thank you.